Still there are only 49 students. After getting disconnected, let us join again. Okay? All of
Today
you,
we have physics.
Okay, sir.
yeah, yesterday only 30 students rejoined. Please rejoin. And one more thing, I told you again, once again, I am telling you, your attendance particulars are also sent every day to the department.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Only 51. Okay, now let us, I sent the attendance link. Hope you have given.
No, sir.
I will send once again. I will send once again.
No, sir.
Yeah, I sent it twice. You please check.
Now it came, sir.
No, it already was sent. You are not there at that time in the class. I sent 2 times. Okay, now let us summarize what we learned in the last class. If at all you get a question like this in a end
Sir,
exam.
you told. Sir,
Yeah.
you told today you will ask questions on first semester, sir.
Yeah. Let us ask. Please remind after a couple of days we have to complete syllabus also. First semester questions will be asked on Thursday. Friday.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Please remind me on Friday.
Okay, sir.
Please remind me on Friday. Now, if this question comes in your examination, what are you going to write? How do we learn new words? 5-mark question. So tell me, come on quickly. How do we learn new words? చెప్పండి తొందరగా. Yesterday also I showed you this slide. Yeah,
Books, by listening.
Dictionary.
Yeah. Come on.
By
Continue.
reading. Using dictionary.
Okay. Only just by reading, checking, looking up dictionary. That's all.
Listening, sir.
No, sir.
Antonyms.
Reading newspapers.
By
also.
reading many books.
Reading books.
New words.
This was the first point I gave you. By context, you have to understand. By context, you have to learn words. He was. Let me give you a sentence like this. The boy ran very fast. The boy ran very fast in the running competition. Are you listening? The boy
Yes,
ran
sir.
very fast in.
Yes, sir.
The boy ran very fast in running competition, and hence he BOKED in the competition. He BOKED the competition. Tell me, what is BOKED? Please write the sentence. There is no word like BOKED in English. I have just now created that word. Now write the sentence quickly in your notebook. The boy ran very fast in the running competition. The boy ran very fast in the competition. And that is why he BLAKED the competition. He BLAKED the competition. Now tell me, what is the meaning of BLAKED?
Win, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
very
sir,
good,
one.
very good, excellent. One. Now, did you ever hear that word BLAKED?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
How did you know the meaning?
By
By
sentence.
Sentence.
by
Sentence.
By sentence we can.
Yeah, that is called by context, sandarbham. By context, you have actually there is no such word in English language. BLAKED is not there in English language. I have created that word just now. In spite of that, though we don't know the meanings of certain words, we can learn them by context. Sandarbhanni batti మనం అర్థం చేసుకుంటాం. That is the first thing. This one example you have to give. And then what is the next thing?
By
You
looking.
learn new words by looking up
dictionary.
dictionary. Looking up dictionary. And then
Prefix.
by adding prefixes and by adding suffixes, we learn new words. And by roots, yesterday I think I explained only two roots. Biology. Bios means life.
Life.
Logos means
Life.
systematic study. Logos, right? You remember? Biology. Logos means
Yes, sir.
now, whenever logos comes, you have to understand that it is related to study of something. Whenever bios comes, you have to understand that is related to life. In the same way, you have hundreds of roots. Why do you have roots? Because most of the English words have been borrowed from Latin, German, Greek, and French. Right? That is why what your moolam inkekkada untundi. Okay. For example, misogynist, I told you. MISOGYNIST, misogynist. Root of this is gyne, GYNE, gyne. Gyne means, what is the meaning of gyne? Woman. Gyne means woman. MIS means opposite. Okay. One who is against women, he is a misogynist. Now, whenever you get this word, gyne, gynecologist. Now tell me, what is the meaning of gynecologist?
Woman's doctor.
Correct, very good. How do you know?
Gynec means woman's.
Yes, right. Logi,
Cologist means study.
yeah, logi. So one who studies women's diseases is gynecology. In the same way, you have number of words. I told you to go through that. Norman Lewis's instant vocabulary or number of vocabulary books which are there in our library also. If you want to improve your language, you can buy it online also, and on Amazon you can buy. Just type Norman Lewis, NORMAN LEWIS, Norman Lewis and Wilfred D. Funk. They have written number of books on vocabulary. They are available on Amazon also online. You can purchase them to learn roots. Okay, that is one way of learning new words. If you have learned 10 root words, you have learned 100 words, because each root gives us number of words. 10 roots means 100 or 1000 words. That is how you can improve your vocabulary. And next, compound words. I gave you the example of houseboat and boathouse. Have you checked? I told you to check in dictionary. Houseboat, what is houseboat? What is boathouse? Now check immediately, tell me. Please go through the dictionary, look up in dictionary. HOUSE, house, BOAT, single word. Houseboat. And BOAT, HOUSE, boathouse. You check and tell me.
Can live in.
A houseboat means? Yeah, correct. Tell me.
A boat that people can live in.
Unable to hear you properly. Once again, can you please repeat? A houseboat means?
A boat that people can live in.
Right, okay. A houseboat is like a house, but it is a boat. Right, very good. What is the meaning of boathouse? Check boathouse also.
A shed at the edge of a river or lake used for housing boats.
Yeah, a place.
A shed
where,
at the edge of a river or a lake used for housing boats.
yeah, a place where boats are kept. Right? Simple, in simple words, a place
Yes, sir.
where boats are kept. So number of boats will be there in boathouse, but houseboat is only one. Okay, that is the difference between houseboat and boat also. So in the same way, you have number of compound words in English language. You have to learn some compound words, right? Then synonyms. For synonyms and antonyms, synonyms means, what is the meaning of synonyms? Words having
Meanings.
similar meanings,
Meanings of the
having
word.
similar
Meanings
meanings.
of the word.
Right. Antonyms.
Opposite.
Opposite words.
Right. For synonyms and antonyms, I told you about one book. What is that book? Do you remember? Please write down. Please write down. You can buy it just for 200 to 300. Roget's Thesaurus. ROGET. Are you noting down?
Yes, sir.
ROGET apostrophe S. ROGET apostrophe S. Roget's Thesaurus. THESAURUS. I showed in first semester. THESAURUS. Roget's Thesaurus is the best book for synonyms and antonyms. It costs roughly 200 to 300 rupees. You can buy online also. The number of synonyms and number of antonyms will be given there. One word substitutes, one word substitutes. Just instead of explaining, giving number of words, you can give the meaning in just one word. They are called one word substitutes. So if you get a question, how do you learn new words in your exam? You have to write all these things and you have to explain each thing just how I explained you. Okay. Now, this one also we have studied derivatives. You have to go through derivatives, phrasal verbs, idiomatic expressions, compound words, collocations, and all these things once again. This is just prefixes. These are the prefixes which we learned yesterday. And these are some suffixes. I told you to form different words using these words, using these suffixes. Yesterday you did that. And this was the work I gave you as homework yesterday. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read. Read your sentences. Use the following words in your own sentences. That was the task given to you yesterday. You should have checked the meanings of all these words and written your own sentences using those words. So if you do work I give you as homework, then only you can improve your language and then only you can pass, then only you can get good marks in end exam, which is going to be conducted in July 1st week. If you don't work at all, it is very difficult. It's going to be very difficult for you to pass your exam. Are you following? Unless you work hard at home, it is very difficult to pass. And don't think that you are going to be exempted from exams. All of you have to write exams. Exams will be there. Now tell me, give me this splendid, use splendid in your own sentence. Come on, quickly.
The fireworks looked very splendid against the dark sky.
Yeah, the fire.
Works used very splendid.
You can one very important thing. Let me tell you. Write small sentences so that you will not make mistakes. The fireworks was splendid. That's all. If you write a long sentence, you will make mistakes. The fireworks were splendid. Okay. In the sentence
Yes, sir.
here, there were a couple of mistakes. So instead of that, you write small sentence. Right? Who has given the sentence?
Chaitanya, sir.
Chaitanya. Right. Very good. Now next one, tolerate. Harini. Can you use the word tolerate in your own sentence? Come on, don't waste time. Please don't come like this with a blank mind and blank notes.
I cannot tolerate your carelessness.
Who is speaking now?
Chaitanya, sir.
Chaitanya only Chaitanya is attending class. All the others are not attending. All the others are not attending. All the others are not attending. Yes, who is Manga? Yes, who is Manga?
Sir.
Yeah. Yeah, you give me a sentence using tolerate. Yeah, you give me a sentence using tolerate.
He could not tolerate his moods.
Yeah, I could not tolerate his mood. I could not tolerate his very good
Mood, right.
Then fortunate Sri Lanka.
Right, very good.
Then fortunate Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is there.
Sir, I can hear
Sri
my
Lanka
voice
is
two
there.
times, sir. 2 times, sir.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Voice is echoing, right? Echoing, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we don't know what to do.
Yeah, we don't know what
Problem.
The problem.
There is a problem with the. Shall we get disconnected and join again? Get disconnected. Anyway, we have to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, we have to.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Voice is not clear. Yes, sir. Voice is not clear.
See, everybody's voice is coming.
Everybody's
Three
voice
times.
is coming 2 to 3 times.
Yes, sir. It's not
Let us
clear.
let us stop and once again join. Once again join.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ఎందుకో ఈ ప్రతిధ్వని వస్తుంది